everybody, it's Julie from A Beautiful Horizon, and today I went running errands. I used to only go to like one place at a time because my kids were little and that's all they could handle, but now my youngest is 2.5, and so I lately have been going like so many different places all at once. So the first thing I did was drop off some clothes to a recycling bin because they were stained or torn or worn just beyond second-handableness. So that was the first thing I did, is drop that stuff off. And then I went to my local kids consignment shop and I dropped off some stuff there for them, and they just buy it like right on the spot. And then I also had some credit there, so I got a few things for my daughter, so I thought I would show you that first. So I got this army top with pockets and a pink heart. Isn't that so cute? So I got that, and then I got this, which I think is adorable. And she needed a few things. I got this top, and these were all about like $4 or $5. So I also got her another pair of jeans. I purchased a pair of jeans for her a little while ago, and she like ripped the knees because my kids are hardcore like that. And then another pair of jeans. I thought these were really cute. They have a little bit of pink stitching here and here and here and there. So I thought these were super cute. I just love jeans. Everything goes with jeans. And then I got a pair of leggings for her, which I thought these are pretty. And they would work well like underneath a skirt or something. These were $4. So I got all those and I didn't pay a dime. So hashtag no spend January. Still doing good, and I was under budget on my groceries. So I think it came out to like $47. And I even purchased something that I can't show you today because it's part of a secret I'm going to be posting a video at the end of the month revealing this really cool collab thing that I'm going to be a part of. So can't show you that, but the rest of it I'll show you. The groceries, and I went to Walmart today because that was the area that I was in today. So I tend to grocery shop kind of at whatever store is in the area that I'm in running other errands. So that's what I did. Oh, and then I also went and dropped off some stuff that was mine. I dropped that off at like a women's consignment shop, and I didn't have any credit there from past drop-offs. I'd already used it, so I didn't get anything for myself this time. But maybe next time I have credit, then I will purchase something for myself there. That would be fun to do during No Spend January too, if I can. And then confession time. No, I'm not apologizing for this, but me and the kids went to Tropical Smoothie, and we do not go out much, but when we do, it's just fun. It's a definite treat, but we're 10 days into January and I haven't taken them anywhere, so we went to Tropical Smoothie because we'd been everywhere and we were getting hangry, and I should pack a little box of, you know, lunchable type of, not lunchables, but lunch food. When I go to a bunch of places, I kind of knew running out the door like I should, like we ate before we left, but I knew I should have packed something. But anyways, this is so funny. I bought this for my husband because I had said I'm not gonna like put pressure on him to stop spending money this month. I'm just doing my thing, and what he does, you know, he's pretty good, but he does spend a lot on like lunches. So he had said he wanted to do peanut butter and jelly at work, so I got him the stuff to do it. And he likes store bread, so I'm trying this one. It's Dave's Killer Bread, but this is the one that's the white bread done right. So it's like, it's as close to white bread as, well, I guess it is white bread technically, but it has like other things in it. It has millet and quinoa and like potato flour too. So yes, it's like white bread, but it also has like other boost super grains, quinoa, spelt, rye, millet, and barley also. So anyways, I think he'll like this, and the fact that it's like here, I didn't make it, so it's like, you know, I don't know. I'm thinking he'll like it. I'm now holding the thing that I can't show you, but I'll talk to you about it later. I feel so secretive, and that's kind of fun because I've never had something that I like couldn't share yet. I don't know, it feels cool. Okay. So we got bananas, and we only ate one on the way home, so that's incredible. We did get a chocolate treat, which I kind of like, I've conditioned my kids to expect chocolate, so. But this was only $1.28, so I'm calling that, you know, a pretty good movement in the right direction, because usually it's like $3.50 or $4 for like a chocolate bar that I like, you know. And so this one was $1.28. It's just sweetened blueberries with dark chocolate. I got yogurt. I usually like just like the plain yogurt, but I got the French vanilla because that's the one that they had at Walmart. And then I'm planning to make my own yogurt. So I've never used French vanilla yogurt as a starter before, but I'm assuming that's going to be okay. So I had purchased some milk from my local grocery bag, my local produce bag, and it's low temp pasteurized and non-homogenized. So it's like as close to like raw without being raw, like it's been pasteurized, just not like ultra pasteurized where like everything's completely dead. And then I got this for my husband's lunches. It's the ham one. It just has water, salt, terminato sugar, celery powder, and cherry powder. So my cousin sells his milk to Cabot. He's a dairy farmer actually. So the whole family buys Cabot when we can to support my cousin. Got some peanut butter. My husband likes chunky. And then I got him some jelly for peanut butter and jelly like he talked about. I guess most of this stuff was for my husband. I feel like we're doing pretty good on groceries. Like I didn't really have to go, but there was a few things I wanted to get him for lunches or meals at home. And I needed butter, and Walmart has really good price on Kerrygold, so it's like $2.88. In other places it's like $3 something. So, and then I got some turkey sausage for sausage cheese balls because my husband likes those. So that's what I got. Making some yogurt, bananas for smoothies, lunch stuff for my husband, and then just, you know, butter. So that's it. Just keeping it simple this week. And then I'm hoping I can make it all the way till next week without having to stop for anything. I did good last week. I didn't have to buy anything else besides what I purchased and posted in my last video. So no spend January is going pretty well. I bought that paint at Home Depot in my last video, but that was something that I had planned. In December, I was actually going to buy it, and I didn't, and it was for my daughter's bed frame. So that's something I had planned. And then, yeah, I stayed under budget. This tropical smoothie was like a treat, but that's all that I bought so far this month. So I'm proud of myself. I'm actually surprised I've been able to like do this. Pretty good. So we'll see. We got 2 more weeks, or actually 3 more weeks, kind of. I mean, like if you're counting trips or days. So anyways, we'll see how it goes. Oh, and I wanted to show you some things that I made this week, meal prep this week, just food related stuff that I thought I would just throw in this video, and maybe an outfit of the day. You can see what I'm wearing right now. I think I'm gonna have some of these like haul videos be kind of a weekly vlog almost, like just random stuff throughout the week that I've been doing, and thought it would be fun to share. Hey, now I'm doing this and now I'm doing that. So let me know what you think about that style of video, okay? So today's outfit of the day is just this top. I have something on my sleeve. I don't know what that is. With a pocket and black pants, which I was wearing last week when I went shopping, which is funny. But today I'm wearing sandals because it is no longer 30 degrees. It is in the 70s, and that's awesome. I love the 70s. So tonight we're having taco salad, and I made tortillas. So all I needed was the wheat that I have and some salt and water, and I think that was it. So I used a recipe I will leave in the description box if you're interested in making your own tortillas. And there's actually a paleo one too that I'll leave as well if you're interested in a tortilla recipe that doesn't have wheat or any grains in it, and I like that one too. So this is what we're using for now. So for lunch today I'm having some of the leftover taco meat with some rice that I had made with cilantro and lime and some lettuce. So I made a gluten-free flour blend today, and then with that I made some gluten-free Bisquick mix. Yes. So I just made some nut milk, and I actually made it with a few Brazil nuts, and then the rest was pumpkin seeds and actually almonds is the one that I like. I just made it with sunflower seeds, so I'm gonna try this one, but I actually meant to put almonds in there. Whoops. So I used the gluten-free flour blend to make biscuits, and I don't think they turned out super duper, but it's kind of an idea, and I think I will work on it a little bit, and hopefully it'll turn out better next time. So it was good. Like my husband said, it was good with a really runny egg, but it was kind of just like dry and not super flavorful. So yeah, we'll have to work on that. Time to do the laundry. If you want to see how I do all my cloth diapering stuff, you can check out the video right there. And yes, I need to do my nails too. Heavy, cold first, deep water, extra rinse. And then I'll come back and do a hot wash. It's all the same settings with detergent. I had started making eggs and I walked away. And I was putting all that scrapbook paper up on my wall in my office / closet. And this burned and the whole house was smoky, so now we have fans on everywhere. Yeah. So for lunch today, I'm having zucchini squash with cheese, a couple eggs, and leftover gluten-free biscuit.
Yeast.
My daughter just asked for flax and nutritional yeast on her popcorn, so that's happening. Best mom ever, woo! What a nerd.
Hi.
Hi, so we're having some popcorn while we do our math. I just got my local vegetables and also some eggs and milk. I'm going to make, and bread. I'm going to make yogurt, so super excited about that. So we got beets, bok choy, 4 things of eggs, bread the kids got into already, milk for making yogurt, strawberries, oranges, broccoli, cauliflower, and green beans. Making some roasted chickpeas, just regular chickpeas, washed and dried, and then a little oil on top, salt, pepper, paprika, and garlic. Into the oven, 425, we'll see how long it takes. So I'm about to wipe this all out and grab out what needs to be used up to make soup and whatever, and then load it up with the fresh veg. Taking a quick break from cleaning the fridge to restart my diaper laundry, and I still have the chickpeas in the oven. I'm gonna check on those pretty soon. And yes, it is true, I don't use cloth diaper detergent, I just use regular stuff. So your mileage may vary. It's been about 8 minutes, and I just gave these a good flip around, and they're going back in for maybe another 10. So I'm gonna call it, oh, wow, it popped. And I'm chewing bread, so that's not cute. But anyway, I'm gonna call these done, put them on top of a salad, I think with some Greek dressing. I cleaned out the fridge and restocked it. This on the bottom is the brand new stuff. This stuff is a little bit older, like within the past week. And then over here is stuff that I need to use up ASAP. So I'm thinking I'm gonna put some salad dressing on this. I'm gonna make some soup and some lemonade. Yeah, I think that's basically my plan here. What would you do? Current kitchen situation. We are making some noodles, some rice noodles. And then we have the broccoli and I don't even know what the stuff was, kohlrabi or something, or radish. I don't know. Anyways, that's cooking in there with a little water and lemon juice. And here's the rest of the lemon juice. And then we got some to make lemonade. And then we got some kale chips going on. And then I have my salad, which I just drenched in some of my Italian dressing. And these kale chips are awesome. And that's what I'm having. I also have the sweet potato. That's what I'm having for dinner. Woot woot. So I also put these potatoes back in the fridge and the kale. I'm gonna have some of that for breakfast with some eggs. I might saute some of this for lunch with some noodles or something. We had a little bit of the milk. Oh my gosh, I haven't had milk in like so long. And then I put these back in the fridge too. We'll just have those with breakfast. Yep, 100 years since we've had milk. Okay, anyways. I did get the pan clean after burning it, and I did get my nail polish taken off. Woo! Now it's time to dump the noodles before they get overcooked. So here's our noodles, and we're using this pasta sauce. This one is from Costco. There's also one that I like that's from Aldi as well, and probably Trader Joe's probably sells some good ones too. Anyways, they're good everywhere. I tend to buy organic just because the ingredients are usually clean, and I like tomatoes to be organic because they're on the Dirty Dozen. Okay, so here's dinner tonight. Some broccoli and rutabaga with cheese, and then I have some of that cilantro lime rice left over, and I just threw in some canned salmon and extra salt and pepper, and it's actually pretty good even though it doesn't look that appetizing. I'm soaking some white northern beans and some pearl barley to make soup. I'm gonna make it with some leftover turkey that I had in the deep freezer from Thanksgiving or Christmas. How are you doing? Are you doing this no spend January? How's your budget looking? Are you spending more or less than you wanted to this month? Do you do a monthly budget? Do you want to talk more about this? Do you hate budgets and talking about that? Let me know in the comments. Subscribe if you haven't yet if you think this video was fun. I do this kind of stuff. I do cleaning videos and just homeschooling videos, chit chats, all that kind of fun stuff. So I would love to have you subscribe. Get me to 1,000 subscribers. Oh my gosh, I'm so close and I'm so excited. You guys are so fun. I just have loved talking to you guys. Your comments are the sweetest. I will see you in my next video. Bye.